Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. So first off, I hope you caught my new tutorial of this beautiful scarf, which you can make into a wrap or a blanket or whatever you want, because in my tutorial I will teach you how. I'll show you the stitch and tell you the multiples so you can use it for anything that your heart desires. But it's made with the beautiful new. Today is 11/2/21. It's new at the making of the video. Caron crystal cakes. Do I like this yarn. That's beautiful. Makes a beautiful scarf. I got some tails to hide, but isn't that pretty? Well, if you want to learn how to make this, I'll put a link to the tutorial up above. Remember, you don't have to make it a scarf. Make anything you want. And you don't even have to use this yarn. You can use whatever yarn you want, because the stitch is very easy to do. So that's not the purpose of this video, though. I did want to show the new scarf in case you missed it. Purpose of this video is to show you another one of Caron's new cakes that I got a hold of. This is, like I said, 11/2/2021, and this is their new Caron lava cakes. Now, these are very limited on where you can find them. They're not available at my Michael's in store, but I do think they're available at some Michael's. Online, they only have 2 colors available. Well, I was able to snag one up. Eventually, I'm certain they will have them all, but for now, this one will have to do. I'm gonna go over it with you and tell you my thoughts on it. So remember, I'm not affiliated with Yarnspirations or any yarn company. These are only my own honest opinions on the yarn. And I do love Caron cakes a lot. But there are some that I love more than others. And there might be a couple that aren't even my favorites at all. So remember, it's only my opinion. And my opinion can be different than yours. But let's go over this new cake here, lava cakes. So right off, I can tell that it has wool in it. By looking at it, you can see it. Okay. This one, this is what it looks like. It's striping yarn, and then the outside, from what I can tell, is more solid. So it has like either a striping or a variegated effect in the center. Okay. It's a self-striping in the center, and then with a solid on the outside. But not, I don't know if you're familiar with the Premier Butterfly cakes. It's not as thick of a solid as they had. Theirs was, I think, too thick. This looks like it balances out quite nicely. It's not like a lot of thickness at the end. Especially if you center pull, it'll be kind of neat. You'll have a nice striping effect with like a block of solid at the end. I think that would be pretty neat looking. Okay, so let's read about it. So this is a medium weight number 4. I concur. That is a very beautiful on spot number 4 weight yarn, or an Aran weight. And it says a recommended knitting needle size is a 5mm, and a recommended crochet hook is a 5mm. It does say to hand wash and lay flat. Okay. It's 80 acrylic and 20 wool. Well, I hand wash and lay flat everything that I make, regardless whether it's acrylic or the finest yarn ever. Because that's just what I do, because I spend so much time crocheting things. I don't want to ruin them by throwing them in a washer. But not a lot of people have time, and especially the space, to hand wash and lay flat things. So that could take a damper on this yarn. I don't really know why it says that, other than the 20% wool content. But if I'm thinking correctly, I thought their regular Caron cakes were 20% wool. Actually, I'm not certain, but I'm going to find that out right now. Okay, so their regular Caron cakes are hand wash and lay flat also. I didn't know that. It's weird. Do you guys do that with regular Caron cakes? Do you hand wash them and lay flat? I didn't know it said that. Anyways, okay, so let's move on back to this one. So it's hand wash, lay flat, 80 wool, or 80 acrylic, 20 wool. It's 8.5 ounces, 240 grams, or 457 yards, or 418 meters. This is from their Lush Living collection. $9.99 is what they are on a regular price. I did get 20% off mine. Remember, Michael's always has sales, so it's not hard to get them. So it feels good. Now I have a regular Caron cake here, so I can show you the difference in the two. And there really isn't a lot of difference as far as the lava cakes go versus a regular Caron cake. There's a bit. I see two noticeable ones. So a regular Caron cake is all stripes all the way through versus the lava cake, which has stripes in the center, and then it gives you about this inch or so of solid at the outside. And you can also see the wool is very noticeable in this one right here. I don't know if it's just the color. You see all them fuzzies hanging off of it. I really, really like that look versus this one. You can notice it, but not quite as well as this one. See that? But again, that could be just the color. Now the yardage is 457 on their new lava cakes versus 445 on the regular Caron cake. So not much difference in the yardage, only about 12 more yards. So it feels good. It's scarfable. Smells clean. What more could we ask for than a clean smelling scarfable yarn? I think these are very, very beautiful, and I cannot wait to get all the colors. The color I have in my hand is called Storm Front. They have a very pretty blanket there that they've made with this color, I do believe. No, it's a different color. But as you can see how the striping effects take place, it stripes out and then it goes to a thing of solid, and then it stripes out again, and then it goes to a block of solid. Like I said, I like that in this one because the block of solid isn't extremely thick. Now if it had a huge block of solid with very little striping, I don't think I would like that as well. But I think this is gorgeous. I really do. And I would definitely buy it again. And I cannot wait for them to get all their colors in stock because there's a couple I want really, really bad. I was able to snag up another one, but unfortunately it did not come. Michael's shipping is behind at the moment, and I'm only getting like one cake at a time of cakes that I've ordered, and they're taking a very long time to get here. But that's fine. I am a patient person. This was well worth the wait. So I would definitely give this a good mark. Now, if you're familiar with the regular Caron cakes, it's going to be very similar to those as far as feel wise. This one you can feel the wool a little bit more, but it's not itchy at all. I mean, it's just it feels pretty much the same, and the colors are beautiful. I love it. I do love it. So I would definitely recommend the lava cakes as much as I recommend the crystal cakes, which I did open those on camera, and I highly recommended those also. But to be fair, I am a Caron cake lover, hardcore to the max. But like I said, there's a few that didn't make the marks for me, but this one I think is gorgeous. And I thought that I'll say it one more time, the fact that they put that solid on the outside and didn't make it super thick is very nice. I like that touch of solid block there, and then you go to striping again in a solid block. It really made that blanket very, very beautiful. So I'm going to make something up with this. I have enough here to make maybe a pretty infinity scarf, or I only got one cake of this color. Trying to cut back on my yarn buying. I just want to get the new yarns to show you. But I got one cake, so I got 457 yards. I can make a hat and a scarf. I can make a cowl out of that. I can make a infinity scarf out of that. I can make a bag out of that. There's lots of stuff I can make out of that. Yeah, I like it. I do. I like it a lot. Recommended by Bagoday Crochet. I don't even need to crochet with it because I know it's going to crochet very, very similar to the regular Caron cakes, which I like those. So yes, I'm going to give it a thumbs up from me. I think that if you get it, if you've used the regular Caron cakes before, you won't be disappointed, and you might like this one a little bit better as far as the way it looks. It looks cool. If you like that look of, you know, that look of wool looking stuff. I don't know. That's my style, though. I like that. So, I'm going to go. I'm going to go now. Remember, never play full price, though. Get them when they're on sale. You can always find a sale at Michael's. Now, these are only sold at Michael's, either in-store or online. And remember, at the making of the video, I can only find 2 colors online. They don't even have them at my Michael's in-store. Caron cakes are exclusively sold at Michael's, and then they're new ones, and then after they've been out for a while or they're going to become discontinued, you can find them at Yarnspiration sometimes, but you won't find these at Walmart. You won't find them at Joann's, and you won't even find them at Yarnspirations at the moment, probably not for a long time. So Michael's it is. I hope you find them. Good luck. I'm having trouble. I only got 2. But I'll get them all eventually. All right, I'm going to go. Thumbs up for me. I'm excited to work with it. I think to get the full effect, I'm going to make an infinity scarf. That's what I'm going to do. To get the full effect of the striping and the outer layer, I'm going to use the whole cake for an infinity scarf. Yep. That's what I'm going to do with it. Look for that tutorial soon. Don't forget to check out the tutorial of the crystal cakes, which again came highly recommended by me. Crystal, not just because of the name, but because it's a cool yarn. Thanks to everybody for watching. All right, I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. All right, bye guys.